Anonymity. Being aware of being exposed. This is Jeff. It's September 2nd, 2030, day of the election. Jeff opens his laptop and votes online for the political party of his choice, knowing it's safe and anonymous as always. Waking up the next morning, Jeff wonders why he can't get into his email account and why he received tons of messages insulting his choice of voting yesterday. Where from does everyone know for whom he voted? He finds out that his vote was published on The Safe Place, today's #1 social media platform. Suddenly everything makes sense. Jeff realizes that he agreed to this publishment by accepting the privacy policies. Be honest, you would have made the same mistake? Wouldn't you? How many privacy policies haven't you read? Did you know that Google, Facebook, Amazon and so on know about your sex preferences, possible affairs and probably even your vote by collecting your data? And that Google always knows where you are, even if you turn off your location services? No? Neither did Jeff. Jeff doesn't want his kids to make the same mistake and is happy that the school just started an education program in order to make his kids aware of the risks of losing your anonymity. Anonymity matters.